up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friend, and tell everybody and them to get over here, because we're litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, unboxing stuff from Temu, however you want to pronounce it. I took this out because the little bag this was in, it was nasty, so I was just like, But before we get started, y'all, Sam's Club, y'all, my mom is officially at that stage where she just goes to Sam's Club. She needs something, she goes to Sam's Club. Her and my auntie. And yeah, now I be going to Sam's Club sometimes. And y'all, between the pumpkin spice thin, what are they? Pumpkin spice thin pretzels. I think they like white chocolate covered pretzels. And these, if you ever see these at Sam's Club, man, get these. These are so good. They're peach cobbler cookie thins. And they got peach pieces in there. Y'all, they taste good. Just had to, you know, share some of my big bagness with you guys. Alright, so from Temu. Yeah, I thought this was cute. It's a bag. How do you turn this off? It's a bag light, and you basically put this on here and you can clip it on in your bag, and I guess it just goes off of movement. But that's so cute, and it's the shape of a heart. They had a heart shape and another shape, because I know I love hearts, so that was a no-brainer. I got these headphones. I guess like the ones where you just clip on your ear. They don't actually go inside your ear. But I'm going to do a DIY with these, so definitely stay tuned. Y'all, Temu be having that stuff, y'all. Of course, just adding stuff to my shopping cart one night. I seen this. Because I love like Bluetooth speakers, so like when I'm in the shower, I like to be able to just take that down there and just listen to it, and it's like loud, bassful. Y'all, I seen this on Temu. They had different colors, but I got a black color, so like, you know, when I clip it on my purse, it don't look so obvious. And I haven't tried it yet. Let me see. Hold on. Let's try it. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube. But first, I need to turn on my Bluetooth on my phone. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find the settings. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, there we go. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. Alright, let me turn this on. Bluetooth mode. Let's see if it finds it. So this is the TG-321. Pairing. Pair. If y'all hear noise in the background. Hold on, y'all. That was my little brother. So let's see. Hold on, Mel. I'm recording. So let's see. That's not bad. That's cute, you know, just for a little clip thing to put on your purse. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute, y'all. And that was like 12 or 9 bucks. It comes with its own USB charger. Oh yeah. That's definitely the bee's knees. And that's cute. And then got this one. Hold on, y'all, because it's got my address on everything. So I just got this little desk calendar for work for the new year, 2026. Something simple. Okay, let's see. Alright, so my desk calendar. And I got this. Y'all know I love Kuromi. This is for my phone. It's like a phone accessory. It's supposed to be Kuromi, but just Melody. Oh my gosh. Guess I'll try it next time. This goes along with, you know, a future project. We just gonna put that to the side, but be on the lookout. And then the last item, y'all know my baby Luna, and then y'all know I love Kuromi. Yes, this was from Temu. I got it personalized, and it's a Kuromi figure face, and it says Luna. That's my baby's name. And it's gold stainless steel. They had Hello Kitty and just Kuromi. I don't know if they had any other characters, but y'all thought this was so cute. I had to get it. And I'm so happy. So yeah, y'all, this was my very miniature haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.